expandable, powerful, versatile. The Connect modular clamp system from Crescent redefines expectations of what a clamp can do. 500 pounds of holding power secures your work with almost 60% more force than comparable clamps. That's strong enough to hold heavy objects upright with confidence. But the real power of the Connect clamp is its integrated connection system that lets you join and rotate multiple clamps to achieve almost any position. Odd angles and difficult corners, like those on cabinets and furniture, are securely held in position. Crescent twin locks allow you to easily add additional clamps, expanding your connection options. Simply attach a twin lock on the end of the rail and slide another Connect clamp into place. Connect clamps are equally useful as a spreader. Lift the bar lock, slide and reverse the position of the head. The trigger action now applies force in the opposite direction. Large pads provide maximum surface contact and protect delicate surfaces. Pads can be removed to gain additional clearance when working in tight spaces or around overhanging edges. An integrated pipe grip is molded into each Connect clamp. Round objects are locked down tight, preventing twisting when cutting and/or drilling. Durable rubber grips add comfort and prevent slips. And Connect clamps are built to last with the rugged quality that has made the Crescent brand famous. Connect clamps are available in 6 and 12-inch sets and the twin lock accessory. Crescent. Innovation then and now.
Hi, I'm Peter Collins, Senior Product Manager here at Woodcraft Supply, and I'm here to introduce you to the new WoodRiver Deluxe Tenoning Jig. This is a heavy-duty tenoning jig which features onboard clamping to hold the workpiece during operation. It also adjusts for miter and for bevel. It locks into position here when you're running across the table saw bed. This item here locks it in for micro adjustment, and then you can release this to do a gross adjustment back and forth. There's also two very large handles for safety. I like to go over some of the features in detail. The first is clamping. It's very simple. You just put the board in against the fence, turn the hand wheel, Now it's clamped in place. Okay, I'm going to show you the bevel and the miter adjustment on the tenoning jig. So I loosen this knob here and then I rotate it and match my angle, which is about 15 degrees. So that locks that into position. And come across here and tighten the piece. If I have a miter adjustment, okay, that would be like a 45, a 22.5 in the miter direction. Then now I've got this knob back here. I loosen, bring the piece back according to the angle, lock it in place, and clamp it. Those are the simple adjustments for miter and bevel.
The WORX sawhorses with clamps are lightweight, durable, and a must-have for any DIYer. They weigh less than 16 pounds, but can easily hold loads up to 1,000 pounds. The two bar clamps easily attach to your sawhorses when not in use. And when you are using your bar clamps, they easily attach to your sawhorses without tools and will hold your material in a vertical position or a horizontal position up to 18 inches, and they keep your material sturdy and secure while you're working. The sawhorses have a built-in cord wrap and a convenient storage shelf to help keep your work area organized. And the sawhorses easily fold for compact storage. The WORX sawhorse's rugged durability and clamping capability make these a DIYer favorite.
SKIL's 15-amp corded circular saw is designed for experienced users who want more power and advanced features. Complete with a 7¼ carbide tipped blade, its lightweight design reduces fatigue, while the powerful motor delivers up to 5,300 RPMs to easily slice through lumber, sheet goods, decking, and more. An extended bevel capacity of 51 degrees with a positive stop at 45 allows for a wider variety of angle cuts. The single beam laser and integrated dust blower provide better visibility for improved accuracy on every project. Plus, there's a power on indicator and safety lock guarded trigger for added protection and peace of mind. When it's time to wrap up, the included tool bag is great for storage or transport. For more power and advanced features, choose the SKIL 15-amp 7¼ corded circular saw.
The year is 1925. Henry Ford adds green and red paint options to his black paint only lineup, and in 2 short years, Babe Ruth would have his immortal home run season. Now, at the same time, in a small shop outside Chicago, Albert Swanson began his life's work, the Speed Square. Albert was a master carpenter who developed the Speed Square on the job. He wanted an easier way to determine angular roof pitches. The Speed Square was his answer. Fellow carpenters loved his idea and wanted their own Swanson Speed Squares. Demand grew so rapidly that Swanson started mass-producing the tool in 1930. Today, under the ownership and direction of the Alleman brothers, Swanson Tool Company continues to manufacture and distribute the Speed Square and a host of other quality tools. Swanson Tool continues the philosophy of quality first to meet the needs and expectations of contractors, professional tradespeople, and do-it-yourself enthusiasts.
My name is Zachary Knapp. I'm a general contractor. Our company is Holland & Knapp Construction. Today I was using the new Carvex Jigsaw. It comes with the multitude of base plates, which are really useful for when you need a base plate that won't mar the surface. Another thing is it has a new angle base that lets you cut miters. The Jigsaw cuts very true and square. I practiced cutting some rafters. For a stained grade finished porch, everything exposed and all the joints need to be really tight. Before, had I had a standard jigsaw and I needed to cut a bird's mouth, I would take a SKIL saw first and then finish it up with a jigsaw. I was found that with the Carvex, it cuts true and square enough that I could do that without using the SKIL saw and just use one tool for the job. I think that Festool makes tools only for professionals. If you care about the work that you do, the quality of the work that you do, and the process in which you get from point A to point B on a job, then I think Festool's